Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is very creative and it is absolutely beautiful because in this video I am sharing the hand embroidery design ideas of masks that I have never shared before. Yes friends, the whole video collection is a beautiful combination of very beautiful colors, of very creative and artistic beautiful colors, multicolors along a very beautiful and reflective color that is a black color that has been in demand from the beginning of time, and it is the best choice of every wearer. So all of these mask patterns are machine embroidered masks, but don't worry, if any of my subscriber, any of my viewer who is a lover of hand embroidery is watching this, then don't get demotivated. You can also use these very beautiful machine embroidered patterns for making the hand embroidered patterns, and you can simply use Brazilian embroidery, Mexican embroidery and Chinese embroidery for making these patterns. I hope that you like my today's collection. If you really like my today's ideas, and if you want to explore a fashion world, different type of thousands of mask embroidery designs, face mask DIY ideas, then friends, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and while subscribing press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. Friends, one main important issue that occurs mostly or mainly is that while subscribing to my channel you just forgot to press the bell icon and you remain unnotified with the latest updates and my beautiful suggestions of fashion world. So hope to see you soon back in my channel, but up till then don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to leave comments below my video. So thank you so much, stay tuned and stay connected. Hope to see you soon back in my channel.